What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Now on this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of March 6, 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, the catalyst. On Monday, we'll get the factory order numbers for January. On Tuesday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will testify in front of Congress. We'll also get the wholesale inventories for January. On Wednesday, Powell's testimony will continue. On Thursday, Biden will present his budget to Congress. And on Friday, we'll get the non-farm payroll numbers. Let's go ahead and take a look at this week's earnings calendar. So we're coming up on the end of earnings season, and the majority of the big names have reported already. But the tickers that I will be watching this week will be Dick's Sporting Goods, Crowdstrike, BJ's, DocuSign, and Oracle. Let's get started with the watch list. Alright, first up is Dick's Sporting Goods, founded in 1948. The company is a retailer of sporting goods, athletic apparel, footwear, and outdoor equipment. The company operates over 850 stores across the United States, making it one of the largest sporting good retailers in the country. Let's take a look at its chart. Alright, so here we have Dick's Sporting Goods pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Tuesday, and right now we're sitting around $132. So what I'll be watching this week is this consolidation range right here that started back in December of 2021 that it broke out of in December of 2022. Now with the stock sitting at $132, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to stay above $131.50. And if it can, the first level I'm looking forward to test is around $142.75. If it can get above that, I'm looking forward to test its all-time high and get up to around $150. Now on the bearish side, if Dick's Sporting Goods cannot hold $131.50, first level I'm looking forward to test is the top of this consolidation range right here around $121. Now if it can't hold that, it could end up anywhere in here with a low of around $99.50. So either way this goes, it'll be a nice play. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Crowdstrike, founded in 2011. Now, Crowdstrike is a cybersecurity technology company that provides cloud-based endpoint protection, threat intelligence, and incident response services. The company has been recognized as a leader in the cybersecurity industry, receiving awards and accolades from organizations such as Gartner, Forbes, and Fortune. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Crowdstrike, ticker symbol CRWD. Now the company reports earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $126, and we're on the weekly time frame, by the way. Now my main focus on this one will be this consolidation area right here that started back in August of 2020. Now with it sitting at $126, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $126. And if it can, the first level I'm looking forward to test is going to be around $129.50. If it gets above that, I'm looking forward to test the top of this gap right here that started from its last earnings sell-off, which is going to be around $138. If it can get above that, I'm looking forward to run all the way up to the top of this range around $153. Now on the bearish side, if Crowdstrike cannot hold $126, the first level I'm looking forward to test is going to be around $118.50. If it can't hold that, $117. If it can't hold that, all the way down to around $106.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is DocuSign, the company that provides electronic signature technology and digital transaction management services. Founded in 2003, the company offers a cloud-based platform that allows users to sign, send, and manage documents electronically, eliminating the need for physical paperwork. Let's take a look at its chart. Alright, so here we have DocuSign, ticker symbol DOCU, zoomed in on a 4-hour time frame. And the company reports earnings after the market closes on Thursday. Now, just in case you weren't following DocuSign, this company has really struggled since the pandemic ended. Back in August of 2021, the stock was almost $315, but it's sold off quite a bit since then and based around 40. It's ran right back up to around 65. And in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $65. And if it can, the first level I'm looking for to test is $67.50. If it can get above that, $69. Now, if we look left, 69 may be a tough spot to break through, because you can see in the past it's been quite a strong level to break above. All right, but if it can break above $69, the next level above that is going to be around $76. All right, now on the bearish side, if DocuSign cannot hold $65, I'm looking for it to drop all the way down to around $54. And if it can't hold that, the top of this gap right here, this small gap, around $47. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Tesla, known for its innovative and high performance electric cars such as the Model S, X, 3, Y, and soon the Cybertruck. The company also produces energy storage systems, solar panels, and other renewable energy products. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame. Now with the stock sitting just under $198 and looking at this range right here between $198 and $211, that at one point was support, that became resistance, and we're just sitting underneath it. In order for me to consider Tesla bullish, it has to get above $200. And if it can, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 210, 211. If it can get above that, I'm looking for it to run all the way up to around 230. Now on the bearish side, if Tesla cannot get above $200, first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be 190. If it can't hold 190, I'm looking for it to drop all the way down to around 175, 176. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Last up is C3.ai, the artificial intelligence software company that provides a platform for developing and deploying enterprise-scale AI applications. Founded in 2009, the company provides a range of capabilities including data integration, machine learning, predictive analysis, and Internet of Things integrations to help businesses build and deploy AI-powered applications at scale. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so the last one we're going to take a look at is C3.ai, ticker symbol AI, pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the only reason that I'm watching this one is because of all of these shorts right here. If you look back in December of 2020, this stock was almost $185, but at the end of last year it got down to around 10. Now with all the hype and buzz around AI, it's made a nice run right back up to around $28 right now. Now this consolidation range right here that ends at $27.50 has been a nice resistance right now. But if any more news comes out about AI and this thing pushes into this range and tests this $36 level and breaks above it, we could be off to the races. So I'll be setting my alerts around $35 to start watching this one. And if it gets above 35, the next level could be 43. Above that could be 52. And you can see this thing could squeeze quite high. So keep this one on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. Check it out and bookmark it when you get a chance. Now here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.